Hey there, folks! Tonight we're diving into the increasingly blurry world of artificial intelligence, specifically those little digital helpers trying to get inside your head. AI therapists. Now, before you picture a robot shrink asking, "And how does that make you feel?" Let's clarify. We're talking about apps like Wobot and Wiser. These apps use fancy algorithms and therapeutic techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavior therapy, and even mindfulness exercises. Imagine getting a pep talk from Siri after a bad breakup, but with slightly more therapeutic depth. Wobot, for instance, boasts over 1.5 million downloads. It seems a lot of you are turning to your phones for emotional support. But before we all jump on the AI therapy bandwagon, let's pump the brakes for a second. Is replacing a human therapist with lines of code really a good idea? I mean, have you ever tried pouring your heart out to a toaster? It's not exactly known for its empathy. The idea of AI playing therapist has raised more eyebrows than a clown at a funeral. The American Psychological Association itself has warned about the potential harm of AI posing as licensed professionals. It's like letting a chatbot perform surgery. Sure, it might know where the heart is, but can it make life or death decisions? Adding fuel to the fire are court cases against companies like Character.ai, accused of creating AI personas that allegedly encouraged harmful behavior, even suicide. In one tragic case, a Belgian man ended his life after interacting with a chatbot. This isn't some Black Mirror episode, folks. This is the reality we're waltzing into. The big question is, can AI truly understand the complexities of the human psyche? Can it replicate the empathy, the intuition, the knowing look a human therapist gives when you're dodging a tough question? Let's be honest, even Alexa struggles to understand my requests for sad music that isn't just whale noises. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. There are some potential benefits to these apps. Think about it. They're available 24/7, cheaper than traditional therapy, and offer a level of anonymity that some people find comforting. Plus, for folks who struggle with face-to-face interactions, these apps can be a lifeline. But hold your horses. There are plenty of downsides too. Privacy concerns are a biggie. Do you really want your deepest fears and insecurities floating around the digital ether? Then there's the risk of bias. These algorithms are trained on data, and data can be as biased as a Fox News anchor on election night. And let's not forget the potential for emotional dependence on a machine. Sure, it's nice to have someone or something to vent to at 3 in the morning, but what happens when that digital shoulder to cry on glitches out? Are we at risk of becoming emotionally stunted, unable to form real human connections? So, where do we go from here? The state of California, never one to shy away from tech regulation, passed a bill banning AI from pretending to be human health providers. Basically, no more robots in lab coats. It's a start, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. Look, AI is here to stay, and it's evolving faster than a politician's campaign promises. The research on its effectiveness in mental health is mixed, and frankly, we're all still figuring it out. But one thing's for sure. Therapy is about connection, about human interaction. It's about feeling seen, heard, and understood. Can AI ever truly replicate that human touch? That's the million-dollar question, folks, and one we'll be grappling with for years to come. Until then, maybe stick to talking to a real person about your problems. Or, a dog. They're great listeners, and they don't collect data that we know of.